If you're someone who's constantly seeing ads on your cell phone, this video tutorial will explain how to fix this without downloading any apps. We won't be downloading anything. We'll just give you a simple trick to fix the problem and get your device working properly again, so you don't see those annoying ads that pop up all the time when we're using our phones. Normally and suddenly, an annoying ad pops up. For those annoying ads that keep appearing on our phones, like when we're going into settings or using an app, an annoying ad suddenly appears, then stay here and watch this video tutorial because you'll be able to do it yourself without needing to take it to a technician. It's a very effective process, 100% guaranteed to work. This is an educational video tutorial where we'll give you all the steps so you can use your phone normally without complications. The first thing we have to do is watch the video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead. Now, what we're going to do is the following. We're going to locate our settings option. Once in settings, we're going to select the More Connections option. We'll select More Connections. And now we're going to use this option that appears here. We're going to select DNS. Then, we're going to click here to rename. We're going to type here to type these DNS settings. We're going to show you how to get it working perfectly. Okay, you're going to place it here. Leave it here, and you'll have it marked and activated. It will stay activated here, and with this activated, your phone will be working correctly. You'll see that those annoying ads that always pop up when we're in an app won't appear anymore. Well, this video tutorial will help you with that. Let us know in the comments if it worked for you and what you thought of our video tutorial.